Hey folks, so you are at the end of your oil change, but you come across this problem. Come closer. Your oil is exactly at the low mark. Okay guys, so we ran into a dilemma. Our oil level is a little too low for our liking. According to our dipstick, it is at the low level mark. So there are three options we can take. The very first option is, and I'm pretty sure many of you can relate to, is we can go and put the dipstick back into the engine. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more oil into that funnel of ours, go into our car and start her up for a few seconds, come back out, go ahead and take the dipstick out, wipe it clean with our towel, then stick it back in there. This is to ensure a good reading, and then take it back out and read it, only to find out that you're still low and you're not there yet. And you're gonna end up doing this maybe 3 or 4 more times before you get it right. Very annoying process. Second option is for a lot of you guys that are super confident and think that putting 2 more quarts in there is going to solve the problem, find out that you are over the full line, and that is a no-no, because what that does is it's going to break your seals. You're going to have an oil leakage problem, okay? That full line is there for a reason. It's designed in there. Your third option is to remember this hack. From the low line to the full line, you're gonna get about 0.8, roughly 3/4. So according to Lexus, from that low line to that full line, it'll take about 1.6 quarts. So let's see what happens if I put in 1 brand new quart of oil. So since I only put in 1 quart and not 1.6 quarts, I should not reach the full line when I pull out that dipstick. It should barely get to the top, but not all the way to the top yet. From low to the full mark, we have about, let's say 0.8. Let's just say 3/4. So a lot of you guys are gonna say, well, if the book calls out 8.2 quarts, I'm gonna put in 8.2 quarts and we're gonna call it a day. It's not for those folks that have brand new GX460s and follow everything by the book and do your oil changes at every 5,000 miles. These are for people with older GXs where your engine's gonna burn oil. Your oil level is gonna drop. So when it drops, are you gonna do a complete oil change? Not necessarily, guys. You're gonna have to top it off. And when you top it off, you're gonna have to figure out the math. Now that you know what it takes to get to the next level, get to the next inch, you can figure out how much oil to put in to your engine. But Bob, what if I want to get it to the full line? Stop it, guys. Stop it, man. 3/4 of the way there, you're fine. You're good. Stop being an ass, all right? Leave me alone.